welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MsFullFace, always bringing most hottest, most crazy, most sexiest looks out. This is the look for today. I decided to get this inspo from this link where I got it from. I think Shalom put it up, but there was another girl that actually did this look, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do that today. It's very simple, just, you know, a bit of eyeliner, lashes, and just a bit of soft glam with a bit more emphasized on the contouring, which, you know, I love. Yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna get right into the video. So if you wanna see how I achieve this look,
hi everybody, I hope you guys are well. Yes, I had to do a voiceover for this one. You know, I like to hear my voice, obviously. But joking, oh my god, we need to actually come up with what I should call you guys. At the moment I'm calling you beautiful beauties, my favorite people, because you guys are honestly my favorite people. I know I didn't mention that much because I've been MIA, but you guys are honestly my favorite people, so just know that. I've just started with my highlight. You know, I always go in with my Tooface Born This Way super coverage concealer. I love this concealer. This is like my shit I use for my eyebrows. I've gone straight into it, so if you haven't seen my tutorial on my eyebrows, I'll pop a link, yes, right up there, so you guys can follow along. Yeah, so I've just applied my Mercier powder. This is my go-to, as you already know. And then after that, I also went in and just started contouring, because just get it out of the way with my favorite palette. It's the Bolive palette. Love this chick. What's her name? I think her name is Melissa. Yes, her name is Melissa. Yeah, she has like a really good palette. This one's called Persuasion, so it has some really nice tones in it. And then I'm just gonna go in with a darker shade for the eyelid, and then I went in with the lighter shade Pecan, just to add that light shade to the middle, so then it's like more noticeable. So as you can see, I've just gone in with my eyeliner. I've gone in with the e.l.f. liner, which is like my go-to. This liner is like $6, guys. I'm from Target or Kmart. It's so good. So I've just gone in with that, and I've kind of had to like mark out what I'm doing. So just mark out where you want to start the eyeliner. That worked really well, because obviously this is my first eye, so I was kind of like stuffing around a bit. But then obviously when I got to my second one, I kind of understood what I need to do. I understood the assignment. So just go in, mark your eyes, and then fill it in, and just make it nice and clean, so then you can properly see the liner. So mark it out, line it, fill it, you're done. And then I've just gone in with that Pecan eyeshadow. So just put it in the middle of the lid. You can put like a lighter eyeshadow. You can put a skin color eyeshadow, just so you can pop more. So that's why we've added that in. And then after that, we went in and added eyelashes. And oh, do you guys see that? Do you see that highlighter? Oh, this highlighter goes off. I've had this highlighter for ages, and this is the Makeup Addiction one, and Bronzify. This one just is the breadwinner. Moving on to the lips, I've added the Rare Beauty. I don't know if you guys have tried the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. Good old Selena. This one's a nice brown. Then I went in with the e.l.f. lip plumping. This was just like a random lipstick that my friend was using, and I was like, oh, I really like it, so I put that in the inner part of my lips, but it wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. So I went in with my Fenty Beauty Honey Waffles. Oh, I love this lip this collection is bomb. And I just went in with my MAC Chestnut, you know the dealio. After that, I just went in and, like, you know, put some beauty spots. What I should have really put a beauty spot is that side pimple that was there. Completely forgot. I was going out after this, so I think we were going to the beach, something nice. It was so cute. But yeah, we had fun. So yeah, that's the way my makeup is looking at the moment. I'm gonna let MsFullFace finish the rest.
Things are just looking really good for MsFullFace. She's been just coming collectively, getting things done, and I'm all for it. All for it. Cool, MsFullFace, cool, please. Tidy up your fucking mess. Tidy up your fucking mess, girl. You fucking insane. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was very simple. I think it's more precisely on where your eyeliner goes first, and then after that, fill it in. You probably already seen how I was kind of jumping from one to another, but at the end of the day, we achieved the look that we chose, which is, it's just like a nice kind of boxed liner look. I'm gonna try and be a little bit more, you know, content friendly, bringing you guys more content. Thank you for all my supporters. Thank you for, you know, the ones that have reminded me.
Girl, we're missing a video, so you need to keep going.
Shout out to you guys, you know who you are. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Do your thing. Can you do something for me? Can you hit a little for me? Can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Can you do something for me? Can you do your thing?